हम चाहेंगे हमारी तमाम जो डिग्निटरीज हैं उनका सम्मान हो आज के दिन। तो सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं डॉक्टर B.R. शेट्टी। आप मंच पर ही मौजूद हैं और आपने भारत का नाम विदेश में रोशन किया है। विदेश में, जी हाँ, UAE में, अबू धाबी में एक भव्य मंदिर का निर्माण आप ही के जरिए किया गया। तो सनातन परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने का काम आपके लिए भी एक छोटा सा ऑडियो विजुअल है, हम पहले वो देखते हैं। आप सभी आसन्न हो जाएं, हम सभी पहले वो देखते हैं और उसके बाद आपका सम्मान।
कर्नाटक के उडुपी में एक बेहद सामान्य परिवार में जन्मे बावागुथु रघुराम शेट्टी कारोबारी दुनिया जिन्हें B.R. शेट्टी के नाम से जानती है। UAE में भारतीय मूल के सबसे प्रतिष्ठित कारोबारी जिन्हें फोर्ब्स मैगजीन ने 2015-16 में दुनिया के सबसे 100 धनी लोगों की सूची में शामिल किया। आपके द्वारा अबू धाबी में भव्य मंदिर का निर्माण भारतीय धरोहर की एक अनूठी मिसाल है। महज 45 सालों में UAE समेत दुनिया के 30 देशों में हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर का मजबूत स्तंभ बन गए हैं B.R. शेट्टी। मानवता के क्षेत्र में किए जा रहे आपके उत्कृष्ट योगदान को हिंद पोस्ट मीडिया सलाम करता है।
बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ आने के लिए। आपका मोमेंटो और शॉल भेंट कर आपका स्वागत करने के लिए अनुरोध करती हूँ माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी से। तालियां, क्योंकि हिंदुत्व और भारतीय परंपरा को विदेशों में भी आगे बढ़ाने का काम आप अनवरत जारी रखे हुए हैं। और मैं आपको ये भी जानकारी दे दूं कि B.R. शेट्टी साहब का यहाँ होना अटल जी के सम्मान में जब इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हो रहा है इसलिए भी महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि B.R. शेट्टी जनसंघ से भी जुड़े रहे हैं, अटल जी के करीबियों में रहे हैं और कल से लेकर आज तक लगातार जब उनसे बातें हो रही हैं बहुत कुछ ऐसा सुनने जानने को मिला जो वाकई अद्भुत है, अटल जी के व्यक्तित्व को और बृहद तरीके से हम सभी के सामने रखता है। 2 शब्द सर आप प्लीज अगर बोले हमारे साथ साझा करें।
माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी, नमस्कार। Distinguished guests on the dais, my dear brothers and sisters, it's a great honor that I have received this very prestigious award in the name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. You all know how Atal Bihari Vajpayee was. छोटे मन में बड़ा नहीं होके, बड़ा मन से बड़ा होके, छोटे मन में छोटा नहीं होगे, बड़ा नहीं होगे. Very good all. If you have small heart, you will not come up. If your heart is good, you will come up to any extent. I am one of the example for it. And I am telling you, these are the golden words what he said. He has imbibed this principle throughout. You do something good and also serve the community. This is what he told us. And I was the one who was always behind him. Wherever he speaks, wherever the program is, I used to go overnight journey and hear his 4-hour speech. Very good, eloquent, very poetic, very dynamic leader. Whole world admired him. As a foreign minister also, he came to Kuwait. From there, I organized a good party in Abu Dhabi for Abu Dhabi people to hear him. But unfortunately, he had to cut down his trip, come to Delhi for whatever the political crisis. I'm telling you, when he was in Udupi, he came several times to Udupi, and I was young man at 26, and he said, Shetty ji, we have to do something good to the community. My father was the municipal councillor, and I said, okay, why not? This is our concept. We young people joined together, Dr. Acharya, myself and all. Average age of the council was 32 years, young team. And in that, he himself worked. I'm telling you, I'm allowed to say, Excellency, Indira Gandhi came to work for the election. They got 3 seats. Atalji came, we got 12 seats. With that, I'm telling you, I'm give live example. Oscar Fernandez is our councillor, and I became the municipal vice chairman, and Dr. Acharya became the chairman. Since then, what he advised was, abolished the scavenging system in Udupi. They were carrying the species in the head. That one abolished. And then we realized we need to have underground drainage. Then we realized that we need to have water supply. With all this, when we finished, I became almost penniless. And second election came. Even the second election, this was a very good majority. Again, we won highest majority, and I became penniless man. So that is why I left Udupi. Still, I didn't allow my constituency to be re-elected. I attended the council meeting, though in Abu Dhabi, coming very often, attended meeting and progress Udupi. Till today, Udupi is the #1 municipality in the whole of India. And I'm telling you, with this, I went to repay my loan back home, which I had. With this money, what I cleared the loan, I cleared within 1 year. After that, I practiced what Atalji was telling, and that you have to give back to society. And once you clear the loan, you don't know what the feeling is. Because most of the people, they make money, they still want to make more money, more money. But for me, I was saturated with money when I cleared the loan. Syndicate Bank, which I made it for my family purpose, my sister's wedding, like this type of thing. So that is where I'm telling you, I'm one of the beneficiary. He was my mentor, and I'm telling you with these few words, I don't want to say. Once I had a meeting with the Highness Sheikh Zayed, the ruler of the country, founder of the country. When he became the Prime Minister, he came to know that I was Janasangh. He called me, ruler, Shetty ji, you must go to India, talk to Atalji. We want to invest in oil sector in India. Not that they want money. They wanted actually to participate in India because of Atalji's foreign policies. And that I came, and they know I talked in Lucknow speech. Ramnath Singh ji, Ram Singh was there, Ram Singh, that oil minister, Ram Naik was there. At that time, I was misguided, misinterpreted by people saying that I must be a commission agent. You know what happened? Everybody rejected me. Then Mishra, the chief secretary of Modi ji, he said, go meet somebody. Then Jana Krishnamurti was the president of BJP. I told him, sir, I want to see Atalji. Atalji can't see. What's your problem? This is a problem. Okay. Then I went to Suresh Prabhu, they invested. They get it. Suresh Prabhu said, it's not my line, it's Ram Naik's line. Then I went to Ram Naik ji. He said, Shetty, we will do this. And then finally, I'm glad to tell you, as on today, Abu Dhabi gave 10% of the oil field free to India, to Modi ji, and I'm very glad that they are still recognizing. Even $75 billion they gave to Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi gave to India when Modi ji came, and also the temple, what you saw, that permission also give. It is never heard of. Millennium will not get temple license in Abu Dhabi. And thanks to you, sir, you have good governance. That's why we got it, and we are in the verge of finishing the construction within 1 year, and BAPs, they are constructing, and with this effort, I am really indebted Pradeep ji for having given this opportunity to be blessed in this. To Atalji's award is the ultimate achievement for me. Thank you very much. Take it as a treasure.